The UnNoticed Entrepreneur Podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.
Hello and welcome to this episode of The UnNoticed Entrepreneur. We're going to Boulder, Colorado to talk to Karen Frame, who's the founder and CEO of a company called Makeena.
So Makeena is a discovery hub that helps these better for you, better for the planet brands connect with consumers no matter where the consumers shop. What we do is collect this first party data and provide it to brands so they understand who the consumer is, where they're shopping, and what's in their basket so that they can become a little bit more efficient and effective with their marketing dollar. We won a grant and from Comcast, and there's like a little 30-second video running about Makeena. Sometimes it's all free for us. It's pretty amazing. We have TikTok. It's called Makeena.app. We have Insta. It's Go Makeena. We have Twitter, Go Makeena. We have Facebook, Go Makeena. We have now a YouTube channel where we're starting to publish our game. We're going to get more and more out there. It's called What's in Your Cart. We're building a community of consumers. And then with that comes like even more. It's just people that really, truly care about living healthier lives on a cleaner planet.
Now, I'd just like to mention our sponsor for this show. The UnNoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by a company called Prowly. Prowly is an all-in-one software for leveraging your public relations activities. You can boost the media relations game for your business, find media contacts, send out press releases, and get more coverage while saving time and money on everyday tasks. Check it out, Prowly.com.